Hello and welcome to the VinDeliver app training video. This video will walk you through what you'll see and need to do on the VinDeliver app when collecting and delivering vehicles. The VinDeliver app is designed to provide electronic proof of delivery and follows a process that is similar to how you currently collect pickup and delivery details using paperwork. The information you collect will be sent to your office in real time over the mobile data network. Your jobs to complete on the app will appear in the load screen. If you're asked to get loads yourself, see our help webpage on getting loads. Here you will see a brief overview of the job details. Tap on this orange bar to start recording your pickup status. At On Way to Pickup, the top green buttons are the action buttons to change the load status. The yellow bar displays instructions. The blue bar will display all the job information, and the red bar displays any important driver notes. The orange buttons below you can tap on to view further information on the vehicle details or pickup and delivery details. To start recording your movement, you will need to tap On Way to Pickup. You will then be prompted to set an ETA, your estimated date and time of arrival. Then select Set to confirm. Once you have arrived at pickup, select the green At Pickup button and then tap Confirm Pickup. If you are asked to add any vehicles to your load, see how to do this on our help webpage under Add Vehicles. Displayed will be a list of the vehicles to be loaded. Tap on the vehicle you wish to load by identifying its VIN or registration. To add any damage or comments to this vehicle, select the orange Add Damage button. Then tap the green Add Damage button and select the region of the damage on the vehicle and select the damage area, select the damage type and the severity of the damage. You will now need to capture a photo of this damage and ensure to save. You can add more photos of this selected region by selecting Add Photo or tap on Done to confirm and save this damage. To continue adding any more damage on this vehicle, select the green Add Damage button or tap OK to continue. For transported jobs, you or the damage inspector will need to sign off any damage you have added. For any driven jobs, you will need to complete duty of care and pick up paperwork. Select the green Load Vehicle bar to continue. Here you will see a view to confirm the vehicles you have loaded and ones yet to load. If you do not have any further damage or information to add to the other vehicles, tap on Sign Off Loads to continue. If you have not added any damage or details to a vehicle, a pop-up will display asking you to confirm you have no further damage or additional information to add. Tap Yes to proceed. At the Load Sign-Off screen, you will be able to view all the job and vehicle details along with any damage you have added. To sign for the load yourself, tap on Driver Sign-Off. You will need to select the reason you are signing off for the load. Your driver's signature should already be saved as part of your driver ID. Select Photograph Paperwork to record any additional documents or paperwork there may be. Select Confirm to proceed. You will need to agree to the terms displayed. This pickup paperwork with your signature will be emailed to both yourself and the customer. Your load screen will now show the status of this load as picked up. Tap on this load to continue. Once on your way to the delivery, select the On Way to Deliver button. Again, you will be prompted to enter your estimated date and time of arrival. You can tap on Update ETA should you require to change your ETA at any time. On arrival at the delivery point, Tap at Delivery. Be aware of any important delivery notes that will show in the red bar. Select Confirm Delivery to proceed. Here you will see a list of the vehicles you have loaded. Tap on the vehicle you wish to unload by identifying its VIN or registration. To add any damage or comments to this vehicle, select the orange Add Damage button. To update the paperwork or mileage, select Delivery Paperwork. Then select Unload Vehicle to proceed. If you do not have any damage or information to add to any of the vehicles at delivery, tap on Sign Off Loads. You will be asked if you want to proceed without adding any further damage or information to these loads. Tap Yes to continue, or No if you wish to go back and add any further information. For the customer to confirm the sign-off, tap on Customer Sign-Off. The customer will need to provide you with their name and email address. Scroll down and tap to sign. The customer will then be asked to agree to the terms displayed. This paperwork with the customer signature will be emailed to the customer's email address. Your load screen will now show your load status as delivered. Once this load information has been received by your office, the status will update to confirmed.